Muthemba wa virus cia COVID-19 uria uikaine ta Delta niguo kuringana na Minister wa Ũgima wa Mwĩrĩ Mutahi Kagwe ucangĩire hari kuongerereka kwa namba ya arwaru ugwati uria utumite makinyanirie itua ria guthie na mbere na kugathika mawatho ma kugirĩrĩria gutamba kwa murimu uyu. Kamiti ya mwanya ya COVID-19 kugerera ndumiriri iria ithometwo ni Minister Mutahi Kagwe ikinyanirie hamwe na mangi kafio ya kuma thaa 4 cia utuku nginyagia thaa 11 cia rucini ithie na mbere, kanitha ithie na mbere na kwamukira gicunji kimwe hari 3 kia etikia, aruti a wira aria mangihota makarutira wira mucii na mĩcemanio ya mũingĩ eninwo kwa ihinda.
All governments, including intergovernmental meetings and conferences, should henceforth be converted to either virtual or postponed. And there are several meetings that even the government itself had planned in the coming 30 days.
Mĩcemanio ya ateti niyo igwetetwo ta ugwati uria munene utumite murimu wa COVID-19 utambe na gikiro kinene, na riu kamiti ino yuritie atongoria makorwo muharini wa mbere kunyitanira na thirikari kugitira muingi.
At the end of the day, it is the average Kenyan who is suffering. It is the average Kenyan who is going to have this problem. It is because of those kind of people that we have to take measures that may cost Kenyans jobs. It is because of those kind of people who are acting in a manner that will send you to hospital. And I guarantee you, when you are in a hospital bed, when you are looking for oxygen, they won't be there.
Those meetings have already been prohibited. Ours is to ensure that no such gatherings which endangers the life of the other citizens.
Kwaga kurumirira mawatho gutumite gukorwo na wingi wa arwaru ona mathibitari-ini, undu uria utumite county ciurio cieharirie kuigana kuona bururi wahota kuingira ruri-ini rutune o ringi.
But the truth of the matter is that unless we can contain it at this level, unless we can stop the transmission right now, then it is possible that our health system is going to be overwhelmed.
Nao Akenya aria mathecetwo njanjo ya COVID-19 aria kwa ihinda riri maroneka kuregeria mawatho maya gwikora hatikaini ya kunyitwo ni murimu uyu tondu kuringana na uthuthuria ona aria mathecetwo no marware ona gutuika kuri na uhotekeku wa kwaga kuhinyiririo ni murimu uyu.
Members of the public are strongly advised against self-medicating and the use of over-the-counter medicines for treatment of respiratory tract infections and to seek medical attention from qualified healthcare workers.
Aruti wira ruhonge-ini rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ aria makoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere gutangikira arwaru magirirwo ni guthie na mbere na kurumirira mawatho ma gutigirira riria maratungatira arwaru aria mathie thibitari matireiga hatikaini ya gutambirio murimu uyu. Ngirifuatara Inooro TV, Njĩtagwo Gathoni Wanjihia.